worried about anything?
I am. I'm petrified. We're super anxious, waiting for this concrete to dry. This late in the game, the littlest infraction can cost you the dream house.
You got some strong competition this week. That's a fact. And how bad do you want the house?
Terrible, really. It could change our life for the next 20, 30 years. We'll never have an opportunity like this again. It would suck so bad if we lost because we've given it our all this whole time. And I don't even know how we would be able to this Maddie. Yeah, she's really proud, but I just don't have that look on her face. What happened? Trust have you finished my house? Tiffany put on me to want to be a better person, to want to be a better wife. She gives so much.